Not only is it lighter than a straight board phone, but it also refreshes the weight of a large load-stacked screen phone, which is just the feeling of the all-new Vivo X Fold3. When folding, you may even forget that it is a foldable screen phone that is lighter than many flagship phones. Of course, besides being light, it's thin. When folded, it's 10.2 millimeters, and when unfolded, it's only 4.65 millimeters. It's really so light. In addition to the good crease control of the lightweight Vivo X Fold3, the creases in the stationary state can be almost negligible, very shallow. Even if you touch it with your hands, there are very slight marks. The hinge is still very stable. There is no problem with holding a piece of A4 paper. Hovering freely, definitely not missing. The design of Vivo X Fold3 is very minimalist, but the texture is excellent. My name is light and white, which is somewhat similar to grayish white. It has been matte frosted and treated, making it delicate to use. On the skin-friendly right side, there is also a decorative strip extending from the metal frame, which is simple in design but has excellent texture. I personally prefer it. Do you like it? Today, I will mainly share with you the exterior design, screen battery imaging, and many other new technologies. You can look forward to a wave. It's really so light yet so strong. On the 26th, can we impress you with Vivo notes like this at our Deep Experience store?